I've opened Word on my computer, and we're just going to take a look around and see what is available in the regular window. I've opened a blank document here. So we're going to start up here in the corner. Here we have the quick access toolbar. So these are things that are available other places in Word, but you can add whatever you like to this little quick toolbar up here in order to give yourself access to things that you use often. I like keeping save up there. I have undo and redo. Some people like to add printing, so that's your quick access toolbar right there. And then your file tab is right below it. Now, if you've used another version of Word, you had a file tab there. And let's just see what is behind the file tab. It kind of changes. It gives you a list of recent documents. It gives you places to save, share, so like if you wanted to email a document. And if you want to change the file type, you have to export. So that's just a quick view of what's behind the file tab. And then the way Word is set up is it has these tabs across the top. See how they change as I click on them? So this is how it's organized to help you find what you need. These are the tabs, and this part down below is called the ribbon. Usually we're going to be on the home tab, and this is what that home ribbon looks like. These are the things that are typically used more commonly in Word. I do want to point out there's a little arrow over here, so sometimes your ribbon will disappear like that and you'll wonder, where's my ribbon? But it's just that you need to click that little button again to get it to open. My screen is acting up a little bit here and I don't have the double arrow, so I want to point out right here is ribbon display options. You can click there as well, and show tabs and commands will make your ribbon come back. The auto hide ribbon will make it go away whenever you're not hovering over that area, so that can be a little disconcerting. See how I had to click to make it come back? And so if that happens, you could just change it back, show ribbons, and tab. This is the title bar. It tells you what your document name is. I don't have a name for my document, so it just says document 1. And we're moving across. Here's a ruler. You have a horizontal one. You should also have a vertical ruler down the left-hand side, and that helps you keep track of things like tabs and margins. You have a scroll bar over here too to help you work through your document. It's a little bit off my screen on this side over here. And then down at the bottom, I just made my screen bigger so you can see. Here's a magnification, so you can make your document bigger or smaller. Keeping it about 100 is good if you're doing fine work. Make it bigger. And then we're going to keep going across. This is the status bar. It tells you what page you're on, how many words are in your document. And I think we've got one more thing. So you'll see that my cursor looks like the letter I. That's called the I-beam pointer. And when I go up onto the ribbon, see how it turns into a white pointer, a white arrowhead. So those are a couple of different things you'll see over here also. And then the insertion point is right above my I-beam pointer. That's where, if I were to start typing, that's where the typing would happen. So quick introduction to a blank document.